Hello, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair with my next functionality proof video. Board is for Vizio M3D550KDE, belonging to a customer with initials RS. This is their initials, they put them on the board, so they will recognize the board. It will be in the title of the video that I'm gonna post. And it came with two complaints. Number one, black and white image, which as we know is normally caused by the NAND chip. And number two, the TV was power cycling. I will address the first this way. It's already taken care of, as you can see in color. And second, I will include in the description of the video a link to another video made by me a couple of years ago that describes that exact problem that the customer had, that the TV never shuts down and just reboots. It is caused by a pin that is bent here when this connector is pulled, and the leftmost, in this case, pin is pushed outside, bent, and it never makes a connection. And when the TV shuts down, it cannot contact the Bluetooth or the Wi-Fi, whatever this pin leads to. And it just shuts down improperly, and it just assumes there is a problem. It restarts instead of shutting down. I also noticed, and that's for the customer, that this connector came broken. So right now you just have to make connection with the pins as they are. It will work. We're not going to replace the connector. That's not included in the repair service. We'll have to charge extra for that, and I think that it's really not needed, but both of those should be handled extra careful, or you will end up in the same situation. I'm gonna show that it does work. Okay, by turning it off. See that? I have to point it somewhere here on this end. Let's start a new video. So I'm shutting it off. There it went. It's gonna stay like that for long enough and doesn't restart, and I'm gonna shut it on again. The IR is on this end, so let's see if there you go. So that's it. It works fine now. It shuts off, stays off. It starts up whenever it needs to, stays up. Another thing is, I had to clean this top HDMI so that I can get good connection out of it. It seems like all the HDMIs, they look like they haven't been used, and they just have rust on them. So there is a cleaning solution you can get outside and clean those, because your cables may need that as well. Only this top one is clean now, otherwise it wouldn't recognize anything anywhere here, including the top. But after cleaning, it just recognizes it. I mean, you can look at the side of them and you can see that they don't look, yeah, it wouldn't show on the video, but that's it. You may have to clean them up with alcohol or special solution, so that you can make contact. This one should not need it. It was just clean. Thank you.